What's going on? My name is Mr. C, and I'll be your guide today in your Toolbox Tutors math session. Today, we'll be discussing multiplying binomials with different variables. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to multiply these two binomials, giving a simplified answer. Let's get started. In order to multiply binomials with different variables, first you need to understand how to combine like terms, the distributive property, and also the multiplication property of exponents. If you understand these three concepts, then you have the tools needed to multiply binomials with different variables. Let's go ahead and look at our example. So for this example, we'll be multiplying 2x minus 3 times y plus 3. So first what we want to do is use the distributive or FOIL method. So this means we'll take the first term from the first parentheses and multiply it by everything in the second parentheses. Then we're going to take the second term in the first parentheses and multiply it times everything in the second parentheses. So first we'll start with 2x. So we have 2x times y. So 2x times y. So 2x times y gives us 2xy. Next, we have 2x times 3. So 2x times 3. 2 times 3 gives us 6, and then we bring over our x. So 2x times 3 gives us 6x. Next, we're going to multiply the second term in the first parentheses times everything in the second parentheses. So we have negative 3 times y. That gives us negative 3y. And last, we have negative 3 times 3. That gives us negative 9. So now that we have these four terms, we want to identify if there are any like terms to see if we can combine anything and simplify it even more. Looking at these four terms, none of these are like terms. So what we'll do is just bring these terms down one at a time, and this will be our answer. So we have 2xy plus 6x minus 3y minus 9 as your final answer. So that's using the distributive or the FOIL method. Again, the reason that this is called the FOIL method is because FOIL is an acronym describing how we multiply the terms from these two binomials. So F stands for first, meaning we'll multiply the first term in each parentheses. O stands for outer, meaning we're going to multiply the two terms that are on the outside of these two parentheses. That would be 2x times 3. Next, we have inner, meaning we'll multiply the two inside terms, which in this case is negative 3 times y. And L is last, meaning we'll multiply the last two terms in each parentheses, which would be negative 3 and positive 3. Whichever way you decide to remember this, whether it's FOIL or just distributing each term from the first parentheses to each term in the second parentheses, you'll still come out with the same thing. Next, we'll discuss how to simplify this same multiply these same binomials using the area model to give you different options, and also show you that there's more than one way to complete this same problem. So first, notice that we have this box over here to the right side, and it pretty much just looks like a window. You have four boxes put together. You have a cross in the middle and a square on the outside. So what we'll do is take the terms from the first parentheses and put them on this the left side of these boxes. So 2x would go here, and negative 3 would go here. Next, we'll take the terms in the second parentheses and put them across the top. So we have y and positive 3. And from here, we multiply the terms that meet at each box. So in this first box, the terms 2x and y meet. So 2x times y gives us 2xy. Next, in this box, we have 2x times 3. 2x times 3 gives us 6x. This box right here in the bottom, we have negative 3 times y. That gives us negative 3y. And in this last box, we have negative 3 times 3. That gives us negative 9. Now from here, once again, we have 4 terms, and we want to identify any like terms we have in these boxes. Of these 4 terms, none of these are like terms. So what we'll do is take these 4 terms and write them out, and we'll actually have our answer. Starting with our first box, we have 2xy plus 6x minus 3y minus 9. And notice that we have the same answer after we simplified this, multiplied these binomials, and we still get the same answer. So again, what we have here is just 2 different ways of doing the same problem, giving you options and also showing you that there is most times more than one way to complete a problem in math. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you have any videos that you'd like us to make in the future, put the topic you would like us to make the videos on in the comments below. Until the next time, have a good one.